Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc 2.0TDI 116 B horsepower style peel with winter pack in stunning blue. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, cruise control, lane departure warning, and more, this vehicle is the perfect blend of comfort and safety. With a sleek interior design, chrome package, and privacy glass, you'll be riding in style while feeling secure with features like multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.